Hello students, today we will discuss how to solve the page break problems in your worksheets. We just have to click the page break button which is situated on the status bar. It is the page break preview. When you click this page, you are not getting any of the page breaks here. Okay, but when you increase your data, let it be to the normal mode. We're just going to copy this data. Now let's have again when we press the page break preview, you can see these bold lines here. They are the page breaks. These two lines after F column and after N column. These are the page break lines. If you want to manage or you want to customize your page break lines, then you have to do is you just go to the cursor line like this. Now if you want to extend your break page to column H, you just drag it to H. Now it has moved your page break to the H column. When you have the normal view here, you can see the H column, the A to H columns are one and I to O, they are the different part. So in this way you can change your page breaks. Now the other problem occur in the print screens is that there is the problem to add or to display the formulas. Whenever we are having the formula here, we have the formula here B2 plus B3. When you press enter, it will give you the calculated amount. But if you want to show your formula into your print page, then what you have to do is you just go to formula auditing group. It is inside the, just wait, yes, it is inside the formula auditing group, and you have the option here, show formulas. When you press this button, yes, the formulas with all, look, in the total we were having the formula, at this column we were having the formula. So all the formulas will be seen and they all will be printed to your print page. After you print the worksheet with the formulas, you return the worksheet to the normal by clicking the show formulas button on the formula tab of the ribbon. You again press it. It will be given that your the earlier with the results sheet is there. You can also press Ctrl plus to regain your results. So it was all about how to get rid of the break problems in the print pages and how to get rid of the hiding formulas or unhiding formulas into your print page. Thank you.